Notion I Workspace pricing explained what you get for your money. Notion I is a productivity and workspace tool, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just note-taking software. In reality, Notion I combines notes, databases, project management, and AI-powered writing assistance to help teams and individuals organize work efficiently. Notion offers multiple pricing tiers. The free plan allows unlimited pages and blocks with basic collaboration features, making it ideal for individuals exploring Notion's workspace capabilities. The Personal Pro plan starts at per month and adds unlimited file uploads, version history, and priority support. Many freelancers or small teams choose this plan for enhanced productivity and organization. The team plan costs per user per month and includes collaborative workspaces, advanced permissions, admin tools, and AI features like content generation, summarization, and task suggestions. Growing teams rely on this tier to streamline work and improve efficiency. Enterprise pricing is custom and offers advanced security, so dedicated support and custom workflows for large organizations managing multiple teams and projects. The surprising truth is that Notion I can automate content creation, summarize notes, and even generate project plans, saving users hours each week. Users report faster decision-making and improved collaboration across teams. In conclusion, Notion I pricing scales with features, team size, and workspace complexity. Understanding your team's needs ensures you choose a plan that provides maximum value. If your goal is to organize work, automate repetitive tasks, and collaborate efficiently, Notion I isn't just a notes app, it's a complete AI-powered workspace platform.